it's me. So it's Rosie and Adrian. We're gonna play in the pool.
Pool?
Yeah, it got our flowies. I'm eating food. I can fight you up. Good job, Whoa! Hey, Rosie. You have a pink flamingo? I got Adrian just has a playground. I have a dog. You don't have a gun. You don't have a gun. I got a dog penguin. I eat my head. No. I'm not gonna have a head. Me too. I got my head. Me too. Yum. Yeah. They have heads. Yeah. I got heads. Yeah. That's spinning. Adrian, want a kiss? Mwah. Hey, it's yucky. It's fun. Bye-bye, I'm leaving. Bye-bye, I'm leaving too. I can keep the ball. Yeah! Rosie, can you swim? Me too. I shall. Oh, a tree. Okay. I keep doing this. I shall. See? I'm slow. Wow. I don't like it.
You want to sit down in it?
Huh?
You want to sit down in it?
I want to turn on this. I have a nice day. I'm enjoying I have it. Pass. Pass. Yes. Great.
Oh!
Oh no!
You gotta keep the ball in the water, silly. Hey!
Why do you want it in there? Huh? What is this? Mine. Okay.
Jump in.
I got my black duck.
Woo!
I got my black duck. I'm going to attack. Any moment.
Watch out, she's gonna jump in. Woo!
I'm so good. I want to again. Cowabunga! Hey, do you want to try? I got my flamingo. Flamingo. I caught me. Oh no, poor flamingo died. Oh no. What? You didn't even hit me. Throw it at me. You throw it at me. Oh, shit! Run! The price of the big one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.